So if you have any type of musical instrument and you want to keep time and you need a metronome, but you want a portable one, I mean, this is a great option. In this review, what I'm going to do is go over everything that comes with. We're going to go over all the buttons. I'm going to show you the front and back and also give you a demonstration. Now, it does come with a charging cord here. So it takes right around an hour and a half to charge, and you're going to charge it right here on this port. It's on the left-hand side, and it does have right around 8 hours of runtime. Now, you'll notice we do have a little kickstand here. So you can set that up really anywhere you want to and just kind of adjust the angle too. It's not going to move much. It goes back to right around that angle here, and now it's probably about 45 degrees. On this side, we also have our volume control, and if you want to do everything just nice and quiet and silent, we also have a headphone jack, or you could hook those up to some speakers too. And on the back side, we do have our speaker along with this little kickstand here. Now on the front, we've got 4 buttons here. We also have a scroll button, which I'll show you how we use that in a minute. So this is our power button. We're just going to hold it for a second. It's going to turn on. This is also how we're going to go ahead and activate the metronome. Right here we have several bits of information. It tells us our battery life, the beats per minute, and also the rhythm. So when we turn it on, it's going to have an audio. It's where it's going to be. Let me change that up a little bit. Right now I have it 30 beats per minute. You can adjust it anywhere from 30 to 250. So for instance, if I was at 30, I can go ahead and just scroll down a little bit instead of scrolling all the way up around. Get that up a little bit higher. So right here is going to be our beats. You can change that to, it's got 7 different modes. And if you want a little bit faster, we can change the beats per minute up a little bit. This button over here on the top left, that gives us an audio prompt. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you can hear it just counting. So now we've got, visually, we can see what's going on at the top. Also, we're going to see the light, and we're also going to hear that voice prompt too. And at any time, we can see all that information, such as our beats per minute. I'm going to go ahead and change this to our rhythm pattern. So as you can see, it's really easy to use, and I like it a quick glance. You can see what's going on. If you want to change anything at a moment's notice, one press. And of course we can turn up the volume, which it does get pretty loud, which to me that's important, especially when you're playing your instrument. Sometimes you're louder than the voice prompts. You want to go ahead and turn that on, or also use some headphones too. I want to show you in detail the metronome, that it does have 7 beat modes. So let me go ahead and press this. You can see we've got 3/8, 6/8, then we've got 4, quarter note, half notes, and back to 3/4. Now over here we have 9 rhythm patterns. So you can see here, right here is where it's going to change. Just want to scroll through all those so you'll know exactly what you're getting with your purchase. But you can see it's real easy to do. Press the start, and it does it. It starts over. And then if on the metronome, if you want to go ahead and hear the voice prompts again, just press that. And there's going to be a little symbol right there of a person. Want to turn it off? There you go. It's not very large at all. You can see it's about the size of my hand, or it's probably about 4 or 5 inches or so, and a couple inches across. Nice and thin. Throw that in a backpack, purse. Just real easy to carry around and super light. Hope you found this review helpful.